Alright, I want to make this showcase of the Shimeji real quick, and I don't want to waste any time on it, so let's just get on with it. One run, let's go. So, put a ton of work into this for like quite a while now. The video should have probably explained everything as I'm recording this. I don't really know, I haven't started working on it yet, but see, here they are in all their glory. Absolute scrunkless, and I won't showcase much. I just wanted for the video so that you can kind of see what the Vinny is, and if you want to see more, then you could install it for yourself and check it out. So here it's like the walking and running animations. Move right and sit. Got help from that from someone, and which basically like randomizes the stuff. You can check it out more yourself later. Still being worked on as this video is being made. You can see them running. Let me use the follow cursor. Oh, you slipped. Okay, there. This should no, follow my cursor. No, you little. All right. Let's see now. Yes. All right. Next one I can showcase is like the set animation, I guess. But pretty cool thingy. And then if I bring up a random window over here, let's try this one. Yeah, there we go. I'll just like put it right over here, and then I'll just toss them up, and down they go. Now they're on the window, and like I grab them, and alright. Hold on a sec. Okay. Is it? Yeah, alright. So my recording crashed after I paused the finish, so now I have to record this whole bit again, but it's alright. So, here we go. Over here. We make them jump from here, and you can see the cool climbing animation, which is nice. And when they eventually reach the wall, I can just like, I'll make some notes right now. Like the sit and spin head animation is currently a work in progress right now, which will be actually finished in the next version of Shimeji. I just didn't get to work on that, and I want to finish the Shimeji up now with the other stuff I'm working on, and don't want to add it to all that. So yeah, and along with that, the whole thingy where if you hold the Shimeji for a while it resists, it's something I'm also planning to work on more later with more visual elements to it, if you can say. So that's pretty much it. Any other stuff you can check out for yourself when you actually install the Shimeji and use it for yourself, like the multiply sprites. I try to make this as close to the original as possible, while you know adding my own taste to it. I'm just repeating stuff from the video, ain't I? Anyways, I'll see you all later. Bye bye. Let's just wait for this guy to I'll probably cut this part of the video just to go over here and ta-da! Oh, okay, you don't want to climb. Bye bye.